Students, today we are covering the topic from the chapter Some Natural Phenomena, class 8 science. This is part 2. Here we are covering the topic type of charges and the interactions. Basically there are two type of charges. The first one is the positive one, the another one is the negative one. Two charged bodies may attract or repel each other. Basically what happens, the positive charge and a positive charge, negative charge and a negative charge, when they come in contact with each other, they always repel each other. It means the like charges, they always repel each other. If we talk about the positive charge and the negative charge and positive charge, they always attract each other. So one thing you have to keep in your mind, that like charges, they always repel each other, and the unlike charges, they always attract each other. Okay, here you can see one activity. Inflate two balloons and hang them in such a way that do not touch each other. Rub both the balloons with a piece of woolen cloth and release them. What will you observe? Okay, here you can see that two balloons are there and we hang them in such a way they do not touch each other. And in this case we will find that we will come to the conclusion that both the balloons, they will repel each other. When they come closer to each other, they will repel each other actually. Here what is the reason behind that? Because both the balloons are rubbed with the piece of the woolen cloth, right? So that's why they will acquire the same kind of charge and they will repel each other. Okay, now the activity second is given. Here, rub a plastic refill with polythene and place it in a glass tumbler. Rub another plastic refill with polythene and bring it near the charged refill. They repel each other. Here you can see that both the refill, they will repel each other. Why they will repel each other? The reason here is the same thing, same kind of as we studied in the activity first also, right? So in this case also, because both the refill, they rubbed with the polythene, right? So that's why in this case also they both will repel each other, because in this case also the both has acquired the same kind of charge. So it means again the like charges, they will repel each other. Okay, this is activity 3. What is there in the activity? Charge a plastic refill by rubbing with polythene and keep it in a glass tumbler. Charge an inflated balloon by rubbing with a piece of woolen cloth and bring it near the charged plastic refill and observe what happens. So in this case, both will attract each other. What is the reason here? The reason is very simple. Here we rub the refill with a glass tumbler and we rub the inflated balloon with the woolen cloth. So both will acquire different charge, right? So that is the reason that both the balloon and refill will attract each other. So simply, what is the conclusion here? It means like charges, they repel each other, and unlike charges, they attract each other. Next is transfer of charge. Okay, again one activity is given here. Take an empty jam bottle. Take a piece of cardboard slightly bigger in size than the mouth of the bottle. Pierce a hole in it so that a metal paper clip can be inserted like this. Open out the paper clip. Cut 2 strips of aluminium foil about 4 into 1 centimeter each. Hang them on the paper clip like this. Okay, now insert the paper clip in the cardboard lid so that it is perpendicular to it. Charge a refill and touch it with the end of the paper clip. Observe what happens. Is there any effect on the foil strips? Do they repel each other or attract each other? So in this case, you can see that we touch the refill with this wire, right? Here we are touching it with the wire, right? I refill with the wire. So in this case, both the aluminium foil, they will repel each other. What is the reason here? Because just because of this refill, both the aluminium strip will get the same kind of charge. If there is a same kind of charge, so the both will repel each other. Okay, so this is the answer here. And there is a device also which we call electroscope. So electroscope is a device which can be used to test whether an object is carrying a charge or not, right? And the device name is electroscope. That's all for today. We will continue the class in the next video. Thank you.